Okay, first grade, we are going to finish our weaving today on our fish if you did not get to that. If you are done weaving, we are now going to add the little fishy fins, and this will be real quick and real easy. You're going to have a piece of paper that looks like this. Depending on what class you are in is the color strip you will have. Now when we make the little fishy fins almost have a, they're very curvy at the top and they almost go into like a triangle shape. They kind of slant in at the bottom, and when they come out, they're not just straight across. I mean, we could just do triangles, but we don't, remember, just like we cut off the corners, we don't want anything sharp and have corners. That's usually not how nature goes. So what we're going to do is we're just going to cut some little curves. We're going to make some slants, and then we're going to add some detail to the little fins after we glue them on. So you will have a strip of paper that looks like this. And we will need to make 3 fins, one for the top of the fish, the bottom, and the fishtail. So what you're going to do is just kind of look at it, make sure you've got about 3 sections. If you want to draw a line to make your 3 sections, you can do that just so you can kind of see, because you need 3. You need enough room for 3. And what you're going to do is you're almost going to make like a V. Okay, and I'm even leaving an open spot here. I'm not making it pointy. I'm just doing some diagonal lines. And then I'm going to curve. And you could do like some different curves. Okay, just to kind of, this is just a guide for your scissors. Okay, again, we come to about here and here, make some diagonals, and I'm going to do some curves. Again, diagonals, and curve. Okay, and then you are simply going to cut them out. Okay. And it doesn't have to be perfect. You don't even have to follow your crayon line. You can just kind of do your own thing. That's okay. The crayon is just a guide if you need it. So you should have a shape that looks like this. So you should have about 3 of these. So what you're going to do, you are going to flip your fish upside down. You have an ugly side. You have a side that is the ugly side. It doesn't have the fish face on it. And you're actually going to glue, you're just going to put a little drop of, or a little line of glue at the very bottom, just like that. And you're going to glue it on the ugly side. Okay? Now I've already got this little fish fin here. Let me just take him off and I'll replace it. There we go. Okay, I'm going to press that down, and you're going to do that with the top, the bottom, down here, and then his tail. So when you flip him over, you'll have a tail, you'll have a top fin and a bottom fin, and when you're done with that, you can just add some detail, just add some curvy lines inside of that fin. And then we'll be done with this. We'll be done with this part, and we're going to start our fish bowl. You will actually get to take these home today, so put them in the front of the room.